Hello children, welcome to 3rd standard English. Today we are going to do some activity. Okay, in this chapter we are going to see the fun activities.
Children, first we see the comprehension. Children, are you ready? Yeah, very good. It's a sunny day today. It's a sunny day today. The sun is shining bright. The sun is shining bright. Colorful flowers are blooming everywhere. Colorful flowers are blooming everywhere. Many children are playing in the park. Many children are playing in the park. A boy is flying kite. A boy is flying kite. Two boys are riding bicycles. There are two dogs in the park too. There are two dogs in the park too. There are many apples on the tree. There are many apples on the tree. Okay, children. Now, on the basis of reading, you have to tell the answers true or false. Children, are you ready? Okay, children. It is a rainy day today. True or false? According to the passage, it's a sunny day. It's a rainy day today is false. Okay. Next question. No flowers are there in the park. It's false because colorful flowers are blooming everywhere. Okay. Many children are playing in the park. It is true. Two boys are flying kite. It's false. Only one boy is flying kite. Okay. There are four dogs in the park. Is it true? False. Because there are only two dogs. Two boys are riding bicycle. Is it true? Yes, it's true. Okay. There are two apple trees in the park. Yes, it's true. And this is your writing time. Get ready with your pen. I'm going to show one picture. Look at the picture. If you are at aquarium, what do you feel? Write 5 lines. Look at this picture, children. If you are at park, what do you feel? Write it. Children, being kind can strengthen your relationship. Being kind can strengthen your relationship. Okay, we should always be kind, helpful, and generous to other people. Okay, children. A few example I am telling here. Giving food to poor people, and then helping your parents, and then old people, then teaching poor children, taking care of stray dog. Okay, these are kind actions. You must be kind. Okay. Unkind actions. Okay. Unkind, treating people in a way that makes them unhappy or upset. Treating people in a way that makes unhappy or upset. Okay. Saying bad things about others. Saying bad things about others. It's a mean action. Okay. Let's we play one game. I'm going to read some sentences. Show your thumbs for kind action. Thumbs down for mean action. Children, are you ready to play this game? Yeah, very good. Saying good morning. Helping someone who is having a tough day. Sharing food with someone. Saying bad things behind someone else's back. Then argue with someone. Very good, children. Let's sing a song. Okay. Tidy up. This is the way we tidy up. Tidy up. We tidy up. This is the way we tidy up. Put all of the things away. This is the way we pick things up. Pick things up. Pick things up. This is the way we pick things up. Put all of the things away. This is the way we pick things up. Pick things up. Pick things up. This is the way we pick things up. Put all of the things away. This is the way we push in chairs. Push in chairs. Push in chairs. This is the way we push in chairs. Put all of the things away. This is the way we have tidied up. Tidied up. Tidied up. This is the way we have tidied up. Tidied up. Tidied up. Children, practice this song.
Thank you, children. We will meet in the next video.